The chicken, it's on the drier side, but you can't stop a gap, and that's what I'm doing now. Stopping a gap. Guys, I reached just in time. Let me tell y'all something. It's the moment to start the construction. Those. Guys, I am still on Easter break. Yay me. I have a one fish and I'm gonna fry it with festival. I don't have any festival mix. I'm gonna make it from scratch. I look up the recipe online and the ingredients are like all-purpose flour, cornmeal, baking powder, granulated sugar. They say you should use granulated sugar if you don't want the festival to be brown or dark. So I have granulated sugar. I'm gonna use that. A pinch of salt. I'm gonna use margarine and milk to make the dough. Yeah, so I have the one fish and why not? So we are going to make that for lunch. Come the man. Guys, I'd set the dough to rest for 15 minutes. The time almost up, and because I'm saying must make it rest for a little bit so the sugar green can easily dissolve in the flour. I'm gonna start fry the dough now. Oh, guys, the dough is so soft. Look at this. Too small, but that never gonna stop me from frying the fish. And see how it comes out. This is the festival. The show. I'm gonna taste the fish. The festival is good. And it's seasoned to the bone. I tasted this from last night. I don't know. It well marinate. I couldn't see the food good. I wash it down with some Gatorade. Can't leave no water, of course. For the first time I make festival, no people say them always learn to fry festival and it always come out tough. But my first try, oh good. Now I just moved the name. I think it named Secret Obsession. And there's something about the husband I'm not trust. I feel like something shady about him. He might kill somebody now. Hey y'all, welcome back. I'm about to go and get a fresh set. My nails are literally naked and I'm going up like 100 stairs right now. I'm so tired. I'm breathless. I'm not sure on which shade or color what I'm gonna get. I don't know. I might get either French tips or duck nails. Let's see what we get. Yet still she not report it.
She don't report it.
No, she not report it, but she come tell the entire internet. You love it. These are the nails. They came out so cute. I didn't know what to get. I got stilettos and coffin. I got pink French tips, which are pink on pink. And they came out so cute. I love them. And if you know me, I'm going to get food no matter what. I'm going to get food. Like, what purpose I go on the road and come back home? I cook like the chicken. It's on the dry side, but you can't stop a gap, and that's what I'm doing now, stopping a gap, because I ate something before, so I'm basically just stopping a gap. So I'm gonna take a shower. The moment I go on the road, I have to take a shower before I go on my bed or on my sofa, because outside clothes definitely now going on my sofa and it's not going to go on my sheets. It's a no. Yep. So I'm gonna take a shower and then I'm gonna deal with the rest of that. So I'll see you in my next vlog, guys. Hi guys, good morning. It's now 10:17 a.m. and we are on our second leg on the 1-bedroom, bathroom and kitchen unit. The last time we were here we did some painting and now we're back. We are going to install this door and we still have cleaning to do, and we did some patches on the wall. We saw some old, so we patched those, so we're going to paint them out. Here we're going to paint right there, and there's not much to be done, but we're finally wrapping up now, so this unit can go on the market for a long-term rental. Yeah, so I'm on my cleaning journey, so another phase of cleaning and all of that. And my nose are run. Oh my god. We just don't let it get worse. So yeah. Let me tell y'all something. You see, the moment you start the construction, dust. You always have to clean. Light color, it give like it light up the room. It give your space a more elegant type of vibe. So I like light colors. I'm gonna put a clip when we just came to the initial work on phase 2, before the room painted and everything before now. So I want to put a clip so you guys can see where we came from to where we reach now.
I hate that we didn't make it to forever. Probably ain't getting back together, but that don't mean that I can't wish you better. We ain't good, but we still good. I realize that I can't be your lover. Let's just keep it honest with each other. I'll be happy for you when you find another. We ain't good, but we still good. Who knew it'd be like this? Usually my exes turn to enemies, but this is different. Cause we ain't got closer now that you ain't with me. All that love that we had.
So we're going to get the painting done, clean the walls, and finish all the electrical work. And yeah, that's my day for getting work done. So I'm gonna change. I'm tired already. I'm gonna start doing everything. Yeah, so I'm gonna change, and we're going to get some work done. We're almost to the finish line. So I'm at the speed first. We're going to get all the little stuff on the floor, and then we're going to use a scraper to try to scrape whatever debris or paint off the tile. Yeah. Which one on me talk? So these are what I'm talking about. All of this. I'm gonna strip off the floor. All of these. Yeah. So all of this. I'm gonna sweep the floor first, and then I use the scraper and scrape it.
you want after this club. You know you're nasty, Don't Uber right at my house, call a taxi. I'm picky with my women, I'm deciding. Call me to your crib and
Alright, so we finished for the day and it's now what, 3:28. I'm gonna try to catch my courier before they close. Whew, wish me luck. Guys, I reached just in time. Oh my god, I think it was like maybe 3 or 4 minutes to spare. I'm happy. Yay me.